I know, it's going to be a little tough. That's kind
So,
of how Gingerbread House is on.
New Year's Day 2014, the Gingerbread House has served its purpose and is ready for consumption. A little demolition work first.
They might be hard by now. Are they hard?
Do you like the marshmallows, Pumpkin?
That's her favorite part.
Alright, does Mommy want to take the hammer and strike a blow?
Oh, should we try to really get this going?
Yeah.
Where should I do it?
How about right in the middle, right
Okay.
on the top there. How about the little graham cracker house? Try the little graham cracker house. That should be easy. There we go. Yay!
This one I think we're going to have to do a little as we go. Whoa.
Here, maybe Daddy can try. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll pull some apart.
There we go. Yay! Yay!